In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a touch of creativity to your Google Docs by inserting and customizing word art. This feature is a fantastic way to emphasize text and make sure your document stands out. So, let's dive right into the process and explore each step to ensure you can effortlessly enhance your documents with word art. First, we'll start by navigating to the toolbar at the top of your Google Doc. Look for the Insert option and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to hover over the Drawing option. You'll then see New appear on a side menu. Go ahead and click on New to open up a brand new drawing dialog. This is where the magic will happen. Inside this drawing dialog, you'll notice an Actions button on the top toolbar. Click on Actions, and from the list that unfolds, you'll find an option that says Word Art. Click on Word Art, and you'll see a text box appear, prompting you to enter the text you wish to transform into word art. Type in whatever text you want to showcase, and then hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Doing this will generate a basic word art version of your text. Now that your text is ready, let's move on to customizing it to better fit your vision. The drawing dialog has a robust toolbar that allows you to personalize your word art in several ways. You can start by changing the font to find one that best matches the style you're going for. Then, you might want to adjust the font size to make sure it's not too big or too small for what you have in mind. Color is a powerful tool when it comes to emphasis, so feel free to experiment with different text colors and fills. Finally, if you'd like, you can also modify the border color and thickness to complement the overall design. Additionally, you have the option to rotate or reorder your word art if necessary. This is perfect if you're aiming for a particular alignment or a dynamic look. Take your time to experiment with these features until you're satisfied with how everything looks. Once you're happy with your customizations, find and click the Save and Close button at the top right corner of the dialog. This action will insert your brand new word art directly into your document. With your word art now embedded in your document, there are a few more adjustments you can make to ensure it sits perfectly where you want it. You can click and drag it to reposition it on the page, or use the corners of the word art box to resize it. If you want to align it with other elements or wrap text around it, you can do so just like you would with images in Google Docs. And there you have it, a visually appealing addition that enhances your document's look and feel. Enjoy creating more engaging content with ease.